Hi friends, this is my personal morning routine, and in the early mornings I love to be able to get in anywhere from like a 10 to 20 minute posture practice just as a basic body maintenance or general tune-up for my body. I just feel like it's something that I need to get in order for my body to feel good throughout the rest of the day. So it's a wonderful way to start, it's a wonderful way to wake up, and it feels really good. So let's begin. So go ahead and come onto your hands and knees into a tabletop pose. And for comfort, you can stack your shoulders above your wrists, hips above your knees. Press into the ground firmly, and then begin to drop your belly into a cow pose. And lift through your tailbone, lift your chest up. Pause here for another breath or two. Breathe in and out of your nose. And then round your spine into a cat pose. Really try to dome as much as you can through your upper spine. Keep pressing down firmly through your fingertips. Tuck your chin towards your chest. And then moving on the breath, inhale through a cow pose. Draw your sternum forward. Exhale through cat pose and round your spine. Breathe into your cow pose and open your collarbones. Exhale, cat pose, and hollow through your belly. A few more. Inhale through cow pose for the top of the breath in. Exhale through cat pose. Feel the bottom of your breath out. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. Position yourself into a neutral spine. Go ahead and take your hand and turn it. So where the top of your hand is down onto the floor, fingers will face towards the opposite palm. And if it feels all right, you can go ahead and do it on the left side as well. So do it on both sides, fingers face towards one another. And you can gently rock yourself side to side. And if this is too much pressure on your wrist, you just do one at a time, rocking side to side a few times, and then switching to the opposite side when you're ready. Now turn your fingers back towards your knees. Press your palms onto the mat. And then press your body weight back and forth. I feel a little stretching sensation through your forearms. Keep pressing down through your fingertips to engage and support your wrists. Press your palms down onto the mat. And then tuck your toes. Simply sit back towards your feet until you feel a stretch of your arch, a stretch of the arches of your feet. And shift your weight side to side so you receive a little bit of sensation from your big toes all the way through to your pinky toes. Take another breath and then lift your hips up to a downward facing dog position. Lift your tailbone up as high as you can. Keep a soft bend of your knees and draw your thigh bones back. And keep a soft lift of your shoulders, almost as if your shoulders are pressing forward just a millimeter. And then melt your chest down, melt your chest towards the back, in the direction of your knees. Keep that soft lift of your shoulders for another breath. And lower your knees down, your big toes to touch, and sit back to a child's pose. So rest your hips down and lower your forehead down. this moment to ground and really listen in for the sound of your breath. Feel the sensation of your breath travel all up and down your spine. Come back to tabletop pose. Tuck your toes and lift your hips to down dog. Lift your right leg, create space, and then step forward into a low lunge. Lower your back knee and lift your arms up. You're going to create a soft lateral bend. So take a hold of your left wrist. First, pull your arms up and then lean to your right. Maintain strong pressure down through your feet. Keep stability in your legs. And then reset through the center position, release your wrist. This time, take a twist. So you can lower your left forearm onto your thigh, turn your chest to the right, or you can hook your elbow all the way down, press into your leg, and use that as strength to further twist yourself to the right. Especially in this morning hour, no need to push yourself to your deepest range. It's just enough to be able to feel the sensation of your posture and then breathe into it. Turn forward and reach your arms overhead. Deep breath in. And exhale, plant your hands, step back to downward dog. Inhale, lift your left leg. Exhale, step forward and set up for your low lunge. This time, take a hold of your right wrist and lean over to your left side for a lateral bend. And keep drawing your belly back. This will help support your spine and contain your core. Gentle lift of your chest. One more breath. Release your wrists, come back to the center. And this time hook your forearm or your elbow onto your thigh and take your twist. Create a soft lift of your left shoulder. And gently roll your shoulder back. Reach towards the ceiling, reach up, and then plant your hands for downward dog. Lower your knees and lift your chest. Place your hands to the tops of your glute muscles. Press down. Squeeze your elbows back for a camel pose and lift your chest up. Send your sternum a little higher. more breath. And lift yourself all the way up. And take a seat and then swing your legs forward. Sit up nice and tall. You can always place your hands on the ground to help facilitate length in your spine. And then bend your right knee. Draw it out towards the side. And then hinge forward and begin to fold over your left leg. It's okay to keep your hands on the ground or take a hold of your leg or your ankle, wherever it's accessible for you to place your hands and land in your fold. You soften your forehead and soften your jaw. Yourself all the way up. Switch sides. Take your right leg forward, left knee out to the side. Lengthen and then draw your chest forward. Draw your rib cage forward and fold over your leg. Especially in the morning time, it's essential to be able to tap into your body, connect with your breath, just have a moment of pause. A moment to take care of your body so you feel a little bit more solid, a little bit more mobile, a little bit more alive in your day. Yourself all the way up. Bend both knees, give yourself a hug. If you have a little extra time, come to lie down onto your back. Stay there for 3 to 10 minutes, however long that you have available in your day. And I hope that this is helpful for you. Namaste.